stepper motors you see here are heavy and they fractured the turret. Small one is 1.2 kilogram and the heavy one is near 2 kilograms. We will be fixing with me this reinforcement piece on the turret. We will need a soldering iron and an adapted soldering tip to be able to get the threaded inserts in the turret and then insert the screws to fix the reinforcement piece. Let's prepare the soldering iron for the next steps. You may fast forward the video if you know how to prepare the soldering iron. The most important part here in the preparation of the soldering iron is to choose the tips of soldering iron. That is the most adapted to the threaded insert that we will be manipulating just after. However, you may keep in mind that you can buy tips that are adapted to the threaded inserts, but you have to buy them. I decided not to buy them, so I will continue with what I have. What you saw me doing here is preparing the holes where the threaded insert will go and remove the reinforcement piece to work on the threaded inserts. You see here that I already inserted one and I will show you how to insert the next ones. We start by positioning the threaded inserts on the holes. Then heat the threaded insert will melt the plastic of the holes around the inserts. You have to choose the temperature of the soldering iron. I choose 220 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of melting of the PLA that I used in the printing of this piece. And joke apart, if you want to know what is the smell of this smoke, it smells like caramel. Still, I advise to get fresh air when you are doing these manipulations. And we attack the third threaded insert. This one went smooth, and the last one also went smooth. I will fast forward the video and move to the next steps. Next step is to fix the reinforcement piece on the turret. And you see that it's already snapped to the turret, because it's tight fitted to the turret. And here I'm showing you the source of the problem. You see the fractures? That's what we want to reinforce here. And the reinforcement piece is pulling the two sides that are holding the stepper motors to the center of the piece. And then we will reinforce it by securing it with the screws, and it will be finally fixed. At the final result, we will be seeing that I changed the screws because those ones are not good. Now we reach the step where we have to enjoy the results of what we have done in this video. If you enjoyed, like me, work here in the video, give a like, subscribe, comment and share. See you in the next one. Goodbye.